More house fires are caused by heating equipment than any other cause. Nearly 50,000 fires a year, according to the National Fire Protection Association. The vast majority of home heating fire deaths, 81%, involved portable space heaters. And over half, 54% of those deaths, are caused by having heating equipment too close to things that can burn. In this controlled demonstration, it's easy to see how quickly a fire can get out of control. A space heater too near a sofa, or a blanket that accidentally falls on top of a heater. Fire safety experts offer this advice about how to use space heaters safely. Keep it at least 3 feet from anything flammable like drapes or furniture. You should never set a space heater on a carpet or area rug. Put it on a hard and level surface like wood or tile. Don't leave it unattended. When you can't pay attention to the space heater, you need to turn the heater off. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Plug it directly into the outlet. Never use an extension cord or a surge protector. And regardless of how you heat your home, make sure to have a working smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Stay warm and stay safe. Bob Buckalew, KVUE News.